Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome to my channel, Bourbon Creek Crafts. Today I am sharing kind of the final wrap up of the Perfect Princess 12 by 12 collection project that I started back in March and finally finished here at the beginning of June. And since the project spanned several months, I did process videos for each of the projects, but just kind of wanted to do a quick wrap up and reminder of all that I got from this collection. So this collection was from 2017, and I even ended up using some bits and pieces to fussy cut that I needed on some other of the projects I did. So I made two of these little mini comp notebooks, and the fronts were just decorated with some cut aparts. There's little pockets on the inside. And then I also made some bigger notebooks. And again, these were just, the decorations on the front were just some of the cut aparts. These are like a 5 by 6 inch notebook, I think, from Dollar Tree. And so I didn't do a pocket on the front of this one, but I do have a pocket kind of on the side here in the back. So 4 notebooks. And then I ended up with 31 cards. So I'll do a quick flip through of these, and I was excited that with some of the stickers I was able to actually get some boy themed cards out of this collection, even though it was Perfect Princess. I had fun kind of creating some scenes with some of the stickers. And here was a group of all the same cards that I made. And this collection got me to use up a bunch of vellum from my stash. I used a lot of vellum as kind of a backing or a mat for a lot of the cards. And then at the very end, I even used some of the final scraps and got 2 little mini cards. And as always, I didn't always point it out, because actually I don't think I added it till the very end of my last process video, but there are scraps on the insides of all the cards. And other than those little mini note cards, all of my cards are the standard A2 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then the mini note cards are 3 by 3. So this was a fun, happy little collection. So I got some scrapbook pages out of this as well, which is one of the reasons I started it, because I had a bunch of kind of princessy or magical themed layouts that I wanted to do for my daughters. And so I decided to pull out that collection, and you know me, I can't pull something out without trying to use it up. So these were the 12 by 12 layouts that I got, and there are process videos on these, and these are old pictures from like 2013, 2014. My daughters are 6 and 8 now, and then there are 2 layouts on this one because I made one for my album and one for Avery's. So 4 12 by 12 layouts, 4 notebooks, and 31 cards from this collection. So all in all, I think that's pretty good. And I will link all the videos from this project in the description box below in case you missed any of the process videos and wanted to go back and look, or because the notebooks were kind of also a little tutorial. So in case you need to watch those again to see how I made those. But I hope you guys enjoyed this collection. The whole collection was, I did a process video on everything I did in this collection. That's the first time I've done that. And it did take me longer because of that, but I would like to know what you guys thought of that, because I know the card making videos are more popular than the scrapbooking videos. But it's, you know, me, I'm going to be scrapbooking anyway. And so if I'm, you know, if I'm doing a process for the whole collection, I'm going to include the process on those. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on what, on how this went. Suggestions for doing process for another collection in the future. I'm just curious to see how you guys thought it went. I think it went fine on my end. Like I said, it just took me a little bit longer because it just takes longer to do it on video than it does, on your own. But part of that's probably because I still get awkward, like scrapping on video. I seem to get clumsy and just not my normal fluid self. So anyway, I'm starting to get a little chatty, but thank you guys so much for your time. If you haven't already, please subscribe so that you can see what I do. I like to use up these collections, 12 by 12 collections, a lot. And actually this year I'm trying to use up at least one a month. So if you haven't subscribed already, do so that you can see how I use up collections for the rest of the year. Thank you all so very much for your time, and I hope you all have a crafty day.